Getting a first-time car loan with a cosigner. With little to no credit history, it can be nearly impossible to get an auto loan. A credit report is how lenders and dealers can determine if you've paid off your past and current debts consistently, or if you struggle with making payments. Without a solid history to look back on, a lender doesn't know whether or not you would be a good or bad credit risk to make, and you are likely to get denied for the loan you need. That's where a cosigner can help. A cosigner can be of immense help for you in getting a first-time car loan. A cosigner is usually a family member or close friend who enters into your car loan contract with you. The cosigner should have good, established credit, as your lender will take this into account. Instead of solely relying on you to make your payments, your cosigner would agree to take responsibility for your loan if you fail to make your payments. This is why your cosigner must have good credit. The lender can't assume that you will make your payments because you have no prior debts that he can go off of. He must be able to rely on your cosigner because he doesn't know your patterns of behavior. Keep in mind, if you don't make your payments on time, not only will your credit score be affected, but your cosigner's will as well. If you want to establish credit, working with a cosigner for your first-time car loan could help you get there. Getting a loan on your own could be out of the question for you, but with a cosigner, you may be able to get approved. If you are consistent in making your payments on time and in full, you will begin to establish good credit, and next time you need a loan, you may not need a cosigner. With a cosigner, you may be able to secure a lower interest rate than you would be able to on your own, assuming you can even get approved. Because your lender would have a backup payee on your loan if you can't make your payments, the lender may be more willing to grant you a lower interest rate, which will end up saving you money. If you have someone who has agreed to cosign with you, you may not want to get financing from the first lender or dealer who makes you an offer. Many times, a lender or dealer who specializes in the bad credit and no credit market can offer you a better deal. To find this kind of lender or dealer, search online. FederalAutoLoan.com may be a great resource for you. We have a network full of lenders and dealers who work specifically with those who have bad or no credit. If you fill out our free no-obligation application, we will try to connect you to lenders and dealers who want to help you get your car loan. And because you are under no obligation to work with your connections, you can always continue to shop around. FederalAutoLoan.com. Good credit, bad credit, no credit, all good.